These are 7 wonders of the ancient world in 7 minutes. Number 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza. Located in Egypt, the Great Pyramid is the largest Egyptian pyramid ever built. Constructed around 2550 BCE, it served as the tomb for the pharaoh Khufu. Today it stands as the oldest and only remaining ancient wonder of the world. The Great Pyramid is comprised of 2.3 million limestone blocks, some of which were originally covered by casing stones made of white limestone. These casing stones would have given the pyramid a brilliant shine. However, over time, these stones have eroded away. At a towering height of 147 meters, the Great Pyramid held the title of the world's tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. It was eventually surpassed by the Lincoln Cathedral in England. Number 2. Hanging Gardens of Babylon. This ancient wonder, known as the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, was constructed near the royal palace in Babylon, which is located in present-day Iraq. While no physical evidence of the gardens has been found, classical authors have described them as rooftop gardens arranged on terraces, featuring an impressive irrigation system that drew water from the Euphrates River. According to Berosus, a Babylonian writer from the 3rd century BCE, the gardens were commissioned by King Nebuchadnezzar II of the Neo-Babylonian Empire for his wife, Queen Amytis, who longed for the lush landscapes of her homeland. Number 3. Temple of Artemis. The Temple of Artemis, located in what is now Western Turkey, was built in 550 BCE by King Croesus, known for his immense wealth. The construction of this ancient wonder took 120 years to complete. Renowned for its large size, the temple measured approximately 110 by 55 meters. It was entirely made of marble and featured 127 columns, each standing at a height of 18 meters. Tragically, the temple suffered multiple destructions throughout history. In 356 BCE, a man named Herostratus deliberately set fire to the temple in his pursuit of fame at any cost. Despite this setback, the temple was rebuilt. However, it faced another devastating blow in 262 CE when it was destroyed by invading Goths. Sadly, the temple was never rebuilt again. Today, only a few fragments of the sculptured columns can be found in the British Museum, along with a lone pillar at the original site of the temple. Number 4. Statue of Zeus at Olympia. Constructed in the 4th century BCE in ancient Greece, the statue of Zeus was a massive 12-meter-tall, seated figure of Zeus, the thunder god in ancient Greek mythology. The statue was commissioned by the people of Elis, a district in Greece, to be placed in the Temple of Zeus in Olympia. The sculptor Phidias, already famous in ancient Greece for constructing the massive statue of Athena Parthenos in the Parthenon, was responsible for building the statue. Phidias used ivory to depict the figure's skin, and gold was used for the beard, staff, and robes worn by the figure, as well as for the throne on which Zeus's figure sat. During the reign of Christian Roman emperors like Theodosius, who banned pagan cults and closed temples, the statue fell into disrepair. The exact circumstances of the statue's final destruction remain uncertain. Number 5. Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. The Mausoleum of Halicarnassus, located in modern-day Turkey, was an impressive tomb constructed for Mausolus, the ruler of Korea, who passed away in 353 BCE. This magnificent structure was overseen by his wife, Artemisia II. Situated on a hill, the mausoleum overlooked a bustling city. The construction began with the creation of a stone platform, upon which the mausoleum itself was later erected. Following her own demise, Artemisia was also laid to rest within the mausoleum. Tragically, the mausoleum met its demise in the 13th century, succumbing to a series of devastating earthquakes. However, some of its intricate reliefs and statues were salvaged and now reside in the British Museum. An intriguing aspect of this wonder is the origin of the word mausoleum itself, which is derived from the name of Mausolus, the very person for whom the original mausoleum was constructed. Number 6. Colossus of Rhodes. This was an ancient Greek statue which was built in the city of Rhodes in 280 BC. The statue, created by the sculptor Chares of Lindos, was made using sheets of bronze and stood at an impressive height of 33 meters. The people of Rhodes commissioned the statue to commemorate their victory over Macedonian Demetrius, the besieger, following a 12-month siege. However, the statue's glory was short-lived. Just 60 years after its unveiling, an earthquake struck and brought down the magnificent structure. Throughout the years, various cultures looted and sold the remains of this once wondrous marvel of the ancient world. Number 7. Lighthouse of Alexandria. Built in ancient Egypt by Ptolemy II in the 3rd century BCE, the Lighthouse of Alexandria was one of the tallest man-made structures in the world, standing at a height of 100 meters, only surpassed by the Great Pyramid of Giza. It was located on the small island of Pharos near the city of Alexandria. The lighthouse was constructed using solid blocks of limestone and granite, with the light being produced by a furnace at the top. Between 956 and 1323 AD, the lighthouse was damaged by 3 destructive earthquakes. In 1477, the ruins were used by Sultan Qaitbay to build a fort. Additionally, remnants of the lighthouse have recently been discovered on the seafloor of the Mediterranean Sea.